Hey everyone, Distiller Greyling here, one of your favorite home and hobby distillers, and I've got a little something today. So I thought, let me do the reveal in one video, then I can also show you guys exactly what is in here. So let's check what's inside. Alright, let's see. Alright. Alright, so these three that are here, I will take them out of their wrapping right now, are from Robberg Distillery. So remember when I was in that room where they did the bottling and the labeling, and I told you guys that there were some secrets that are being made? Well, this is it. This is the secrets that I was talking about, and I saw on Albert's, on the Robberg Distillery's Facebook page, that their liqueurs are available, and I made contact with Albert and got myself all three of them. So these two was the two that we tasted, the coffee liqueur. Oh, this was a very nice liqueur. I really enjoyed this one. And then here was the limoncello one. So the limoncello one, my wife really enjoyed this one. It was really fresh. And then I saw the third one. I didn't have the taste on the day that we did our visit, but I love orange, and I just thought, knowing how good these two taste, I'm definitely going to get the third one for me as well. So thank you very much, Albert, for sending all three of them through. I really enjoyed. I am definitely going to have a taste of all three to see and taste how they are, and also definitely smell them all. I am really excited. Guys, go check it out. They are available. I will leave the email address at the bottom. You can contact Albert directly and get yourself some of these liqueurs as well. They are very good. And also have a look at whatever they have got, what else they have on their product list. I'm talking about the two gins as well. And also go and visit them and have that taste around the world, that lovely tasting lounge of theirs. That's it for me for today. All the best. As always, be awesome, be kind, and be yourself. Cheers.